Let's see how to solve this problem. Valid parenthesis. So you are given a string S consisting of following characters. These are the characters. These are the characters given. So the input string S is valid if only every open bracket is closed by the same type of close bracket. So every open bracket is closed by the same type of close bracket. So this should be ensured, and then open brackets are closed in the correct order. Every close bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. So every close bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. These three things we should be ensured. So if three things are satisfied means we have to return true if S is a valid string and false otherwise. So in the given example 1, so this is the open square bracket and then close. So this is a valid string. So we are returning true. Here also open parenthesis, open square bracket, open curly brace, and then close curly brace, close square brackets, close parenthesis. So it is also a valid one. So we are returning true. Here we have the open square bracket and then close square bracket and then open parenthesis and then close parenthesis. Everything was there, but it is unordered one. See here everything is ordered. Here it is unordered. So we are returning false. So the brackets are not closed in the correct order for the example 3. So let's see the logic how to solve this. We can use a stack for this problem. We can use a stack and then we can usually store open curly braces, open square bracket, open parenthesis. So open brackets alone we just store in a stack. Okay, we just store all the characters in a stack like this. First open parenthesis we will be stored, and then for this example, and then open square bracket, open curly brace. So next we have to pop the last one. So in the stack what we have to do is like we have to store all the open curly braces, open square bracket, open parenthesis, and then we have to pop the last one. So it is lost in first off. So we have inserted the curly braces is lost. So this will come when we pop. This will be taken. So this curly braces we check whether this curly brace is not equal to now whatever the character that we have. So we check that condition. We have to check whether the this curly brace should be the open and this curly brace should be the close. This is the open one, this should be the close. If the curly brace is not equal to this one means we have to return false. For that we have to check all these three characters and then we have to return false. Finally, if all the characters matches means while we popping out, all the characters will be came out. So the stack will become empty. So finally, if the stack is empty means we have to return true. Let's code for this. Just declare a stack. So it is a character. I'm going to store. I name it as a stack equal to new stack of So I have declared a stack. We have to loop through the characters. For that, char ch colon. So I just convert it into a character array so that I can access each character easily. So string name as dot to char array. I'm just converting it as a character array. So inside this, I'm just checking whether if the character is equal to open curly brace means open parenthesis, and then or else the character is equal to the open curly brace, or the character equal to open square bracket. So if this means I'm just if it is open means, if it is in an open state means I'm just pushing it in a stack dot push of that character. Else I'm just checking whether the stack is empty. If stack dot is empty, the stack is empty means I have to return false. So why you have to check this condition means we are pushing the open brackets into the stack. If there is no open brackets means then the stack will be empty. So we are return, if it is empty means we have to return false, because before open curly braces or any brackets, the close brackets should not come. That means it is not a valid bracket, right? So that if no open brackets in the stack means we have to check that condition also, and then we have to return false. So before we have now if we have the characters means the stack will be look like this. So we have just pushed all the open brackets in the stack. Next we have to pop the last one. For that I'm just storing in a variable stack dot pop. So I'm just have to check whether the top variable, this character is this means if this character is coming means I have to check the popped one is this one, and then I have to check now the character, whatever the closed character comes means that I have to check characters which is not equal to, if the top popped one is like this parenthesis open means the closed one should be this. If the close bracket is not this means we have to return false. Likewise we have to check for three brackets. So if the character is not matching means if the open is like this means close is not this means we have to return false. For that we are checking for all these three characters and then we have to return false. So if all the characters is matching and the stack is popped, if all the character is matched means each character is popped and then matched all the brackets. So now the stack will become empty because we are popping out and checking every bracket is proper or not. So the stack is empty means that means it is true for after all these cases. So I'm just returning if the stack is empty. That means it is true. I have missed this into a small c. So that is what a compilation error. So it is a character array. So it should be a capital C. So I just corrected it. I think case 1 and case 2 is accepted. I just submit it. Okay, everything is accepted and all the test case was there. Thank you.